Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Timetec 128GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory kit. This kit is designed as a substantial upgrade for your desktop PC, promising to boost performance in demanding applications and heavy multitasking scenarios. This Timetec kit arrives as a 4x32GB configuration, totaling a massive 128 gigabytes of DDR4 memory. It operates at a frequency of 3200 MHz, but it's important to note that it can automatically adjust to 2933 MHz or 2666 MHz if your system doesn't natively support the higher speed. This ensures compatibility across a wider range of motherboards and CPUs. The memory modules are built to the PC4-25600 standard, featuring a CL22 latency, operating at a safe 1.2V. These are unbuffered, non-ECC DIMMs, meaning they're designed for standard desktop use and don't have error correction capabilities. The dual-rank 2RX8 configuration, based on 2048 by 8 chips, aims to provide a good balance of performance and density. One key aspect to consider is that this Timetec kit is non-XMP. XMP, or Extreme Memory Profile, allows for easy overclocking and performance tweaking. The absence of XMP means the memory will run at its default JEDEC timings. While this simplifies setup, it also means you won't be able to easily push the memory to higher speeds without manual adjustments in your BIOS. The Timetec memory is specifically designed for desktop PCs and is not compatible with laptops, notebooks, or all-in-one devices. Installation is straightforward, as with any standard DMM. Simply insert the modules into the appropriate slots on your motherboard, ensuring they are properly seated. The sheer capacity of 128 gigabytes is where this kit truly shines. For content creators, video editors, or anyone working with large datasets, this amount of RAM can be a game changer. It allows you to handle multiple demanding applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns or bottlenecks. Gamers who stream or create content will also find this kit beneficial. Timetec offers a lifetime warranty from the date of purchase, along with free technical support based in the United States. This provides peace of mind, knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. In summary, the Timetec 128GB DDR4 3200 MHz memory kit is a solid option for those seeking a significant RAM upgrade for their desktop PC. While the lack of XMP might deter some enthusiasts, the large capacity and reliable performance make it a worthwhile consideration, especially for users who prioritize stability and ease of use.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.